So today we have Interlaken. It's a green seedless grape. It's hard to tell the green seedless grape from each other, only when you have them side by side. But sometimes they just don't ripen the same time, so I can't compare it side by side. As I've been reviewing last couple years was my Hemrod grapes, which were a honey flavor sweet. That's how I would describe it. And so let's review the Interlaken. So the Interlaken has much prettier tight clusters than my Hemrods. These are very, it's just beautiful when you compare them side by side, hopefully next year. These just look prettier. They're just very uniform. The cluster, look at this. Hold on, let me try to find it. There you go. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. It's just so beautiful in comparison. So for the looks, this will be rated much higher. And what, look at these little specks. I didn't get this with my Hemrod, so I don't know what they are. Probably have to research them. But the fruit size relatively the same as the Hemrod, except these, if you look at it, it's very translucent type of skin. Look, you can almost like see through it. So it's very different. It's not the same. I'm particular about green grapes. Not all green grapes are the same. That's why they have their own name. So it has a non-slip skin, very thin, no seeds. Has a bit of tartness. It's definitely different than Lakemont. I have a review on that one as well. 2 years ago, I remember this being very overly sweet, but this year it's quite tart in a sense. So hopefully I can have a year where they both ripen the same time, so I can actually review them side by side. But it's hard to pick one green grape to grow because they're all so good in that sense. Yeah, definitely more tart. But quite addicting to eat. There is no honey flavor in here. Nonetheless, it's a great green tasting grape. I think maybe if it was hanging on the tree a little longer, it would be a little sweeter, because it has been some years a little sweeter. This year, not really. But when these grapes hang on the grapevine, they just look so darn adorable that even if they're a little tart, you just love them.